G, what's good? YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, Retro gang. Man, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Y'all see what's going on? I'm back in the shoebox, back against the wall. Look, before we even get into it, I appreciate every one of y'all for tuning in. You don't have to do this. Y'all see the campaign. Look, Self, Haley, your shoes are on the way. I'm going to upload the tracking number tonight. Shout out to the one in the 1990 Air Max. And shout out to everybody that entered in the raffle for the $20. Look, we finna feed a lot of people Saturday. Look, I got that VG on the way too as well. So look, let's get right into it, man. Y'all know it's a shoe channel, right? So let's go ahead and unbox some heat. I'm gonna do an on foot. Look, I say on foot for a reason. I wait for somebody to correct me. I know it's on feet, but your boy likes saying on foot, man. We're gonna do some little stuff different on our channel. As y'all can see, we love giving back. We love the shot drops and helping out. But YouTube, we need y'all, man. I'm trying to get up to like, I'm not gonna flex, man, 1,500 subscribers so they can keep unlocking stuff so I can do what I need to do to get this movement on the road. So look, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get right into it, man. Let's unbox some heat. Nike been listening, man. First they started off slow out there, 7-Eleven, 10th Street. They been listening to the kid. Me and Maddie in the game. We've been like, yo, drop heat. Y'all been making us come out there for nothing. So they been shot dropping stuff. What came out today, we're going to get right into it, is the Jordan Apex. Look. Let me move this out the way right now. These came out today. So I got to go ahead and get you into it, let you know everything, what's going on, size 12. This particular shoe is $200. And with tax come up to like $216 if I'm not mistaken. They sold out on the sneaker app, so that's why, you know, I had to get it at the pop-up. It has this like that React feel, I guess like off the Element. So we're going to see how that works. And the inside of the shoe is actually supposed to be like a Jordan 1 and fit like a Jordan 1. I'm going to let y'all know we're going to do an on foot, on these, so don't worry. I'm going to have these actually on at the pop-up tomorrow. I will be at the pop-up. Got the Jordan logo on the back, of course. I'm trying to see what this material is like. It's something, you get the umbrella and you put your umbrella in. It's like that type of material. But then you got the fly knit still here on the back of it. What does this say? Visitor. On the front it says Visitor. See the lacing. So, you got the true lacing system, seems like to me. I'll let you know when we do the on foot. I step into the future, try something new. So Jordan, like I said, man, got to try it, man. It's the Apex. Boxing, standard box. I ain't gonna say standard, but you got the Jumpman on it, and then you got the 3 zeros there. You got pluses all over the box. So that's one. Here's the other one. I just want to take a look at. Both of them pretty much the same. I say y'all can speed it up, you can slow it down. So that's one. Like I said, they sold out on the sneaker app, so I had to get them at the pop-up. So we got that out the way. Let's put back into the camera. So look, y'all seen the lobsters, right? So now I got the tigers, and I got Spider-Mans. What? Lobster, tigers, and spiders? Oh my, let's get it. So look, these was only in City Gear in Memphis, if I'm not mistaken, in certain boutiques. But they had them at the pop-up as well. On the wall, they had these for 2 days, enough inventory for 2 days. So I'll let your kid, man, this is size 10. You got the 1 cent on the back, the classic penny 1 cent. I like this one particular shoe because the bottom is black. If y'all know foam posits, you might want to go 1 size up or half a size, because once they fit, they don't shrink. And then, these foam posits, these pennies are indestructible. I wish they would have gave me double laces, but the nod out to them, the Memphis Tigers, I got no complaints because this shoe is dope. It really is, man. Y'all leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. If it's sit or lit, me, I'm going to say lit. I know what Maddie going to say. She going to say lit. So like I said, man, Nike, y'all, look, y'all come March 30th. Y'all mess with the kid, mess with Maddie. We're going to get y'all in and out. Let me know when y'all going to pop up. DM me. We can go down and make it's a good experience. Y'all heard me say spiders, right? So when yesterday, the day before yesterday, when they dropped the noise canceling pack, I went to the pop-up and thought they was going to have the noise canceling pack. They didn't hit it. Me and the gang had to do a detour. We had to go to Lenox Mall. They had the whole noise canceling pack, plus the Zoom flies. They didn't have the Zoom flies on the app. They even had the Zoom flies at the Lenox. They sold out of the Jordan 1s, the Nigels, I'm going to tell you that now. But they got a full-size run, if I'm not mistaken, of the Air Force 1s and the other packs. Call down there at Nike at Lenox. When you call, and just mess with them, tell them Retro told you to call. Make sure they got y'all size in. So, man, I was saying spiders. I already had a pair. Oh, wrong shoe. I already had a pair of the Spider-Mans. Retail. So, I got another pair from the pop-up. So, I took one shoe back that day. We got back there about 12:30, and they shot dropped these on the wall. Literally shot dropped the Spider-Mans, man. I got a size 12. I doubled up. Like I said, if y'all know me by now, the Jordan 1s, you not going to get off me. The Travis Scotts, you going to get. If I hear I'm in Travis Scotts, I promise y'all, gang, them going to go for retail on the lottery. So y'all stay linked in. If me and Maddie hit on them Travis Scotts, we got you. I don't like how they did the check. But any retro one, don't DM me. Pretty much don't ask me. It's going to be a no-go on my Jordan 1s. Because that's what I do. Look, she behind me, right? So since that's out the way, let's get into it. I'm sure y'all seen this shit numerous of times. But look at this leather, man. You know what I say, it's buttery, crocodile. It's red, they got the speckles on it. I still haven't checked out the movie. Y'all let me know y'all checked out the movie. I know my daughter Maddie did. She said it was good. Y'all let me know if y'all checked out that movie. So that's the Spider-Mans out the way. Retail, Nike, popping up. Y'all popping up, okay. So, we got those out the way. I double up on this particular pair right here. These are the Nigels. Right? These are the Nigels. So basically, you got a Nike check that says peel before play. You can take the checks off on each side. Shoestrings is classic white. I guess at the top right here, you can say Air Jordan Retro 1. And it has create, you can put the created date and then Nike by. I'm sending these pair off. That's why I doubled up. Somebody's gonna customize this pair for me. These retail for $190, gang. So it was like $205 with tax. You know, it's not the, I'm not going to lie, it's like a basic shoe, but y'all know the holidays coming up with all white. You cannot go wrong. Once again, it's a collab with Nigel, so that's why they sold out. I had to pick these up at Linux. They sold out on the app, but once again, so hey, I appreciate y'all doing it, holding it down. Keep me, keep y'all with this heat and content coming. So that's it. I got two pairs, like I told y'all. Here go the other pair right here, gang. Crispy. Dead stock. So I'm going to send this pair off, and I'm going to rock the other one. So y'all know what we finna do now, man. It's time to wake the dead. Y'all don't go nowhere on foot. All right, gang, we waking the dead. I'm not even finna flex. I put them on. They slipped on pretty comfortably, even with the lacing system. Yo, I've been asleep. If I've been missing up on this, man, what they call this? This React? The React? The Element React? How they got it mixed with the Jordan? They real comfortable. Got the 3M right here. You got the Visitors. Then it comes in with, like, look at it. Look how it goes down. It's real comfortable. Does it fit like a Jordan 1 yet? I can't lie. I'll let you know. I got to wear it some more. I'm going to wear it at the pop-up tomorrow. But right now, look. I know it ain't boost action. But look, this the React, it's not bad, gang. Real comfortable. So like I'm saying, you can dress it up, dress it down. I got on some joggers with these. And then the back, unstrap. Comes out pretty good. Like I said, this material is some type of nylon see-through material. So I guess when they come out with other colorways, you can see the different shoes. I had to go with the original colorway, what you want to call it, the bread. That's the case when they come out with other colorways. I got the original one, something new for the future. So you know what? My producer just let me know when we was looking at this. She said, Dad, show them the Nigels again on the wall, up close. So we finna hit the wall, gang. Let's hit the wall. Go nowhere. I told you me and Maddie, Viggies be different. Always different. You never know when I'm gonna pop up. That's why I advise everybody, give us our watch time. Watch the Viggie all the way through. I might shot drop you with some more information that you need to know. As well as, check this out. The pop-up is going to leave March 30th, if I'm not mistaken. So this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, next weekend, Saturday and Sunday, until they leave, you catch me and Maddie out there. One lucky person each day for Saturday and Sunday. You walk up to me and Maddie, say Retro Family, Retro Gang Gang, show me that you're a subscriber to our channel, and I got you. Me and Maddie get you $20 off for one person each of those days. So Saturday and Sunday, that's $40. Saturday and Sunday the next day, that's another $40. I told y'all, man, it's the real give back channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Whole lot of gang, man. We out.